Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then this is Rimi. Today's video is going to be a fall makeup tutorial using the Makeup Revolution, the Emily Edit the Once palette. I really wanted to put up a makeup tutorial using this palette. I do plan on making a review video on this palette in future, so keep an eye out for that. I'm extremely sorry that my camera is being really weird. I don't know what happened with my camera, but anyways, I really wanted to put this video up for you guys, so bear with me in this video. So this is how the palette look like, and here I'm doing some swatches for you guys, and I love the fact that this palette have all the names right underneath the eyeshadows. Let's get started with the look. I'm starting with the Midwest color. It's the orangey brown color, and I'm just applying it on my crease. I'm fluffing this color out. I'm lightly applying this color. For my eyelid, I'm going in with this Jordana 12-hour color pencil in, I think it's emerald, but I'll list the name down below. I'm applying this color all over my eyelid and just using a blending brush to kind of blend the edges. And on top of that, I'm going in with the color Side Hustle. This is more like a shimmery olive green color, and I'm applying it right on top of that Jordana eye pencil. I'm just blending the edges and making sure the edges look seamless. For my outer corner, I'm taking this color Corduroy. It's a beautiful matte forest green color. I love this color, so I'm just using that color to deepen my outer corner. I'm also dragging this color in the crease. I love dark green eyeshadows for fall times, and I was really inspired by the color Corduroy. Then I'm taking a clean brush to just blend out the edges, and next I'm taking this color Top Story and applying this color towards the inner corner. Then I'm taking the color Oh Heavens to highlight my brow bones and the inner corners. Next, I'm taking my foundation. It's the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir foundation. I'm just applying the foundation all over my face using a damp beauty blender. And then I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me powder to set my under eye. I'm taking It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara and applying a few coats on my top lashes. For my lower lash line, I'm taking the color Dew Spade and I'm applying it from the inner corner to outer corner all the way. And I'm just blending this color out. And then I'm taking the color Corduroy again and applying this color on the outer corner of my lower lash line. This will tie in with the lid colors, give it a more depth to the outer corner. Then I'm going back to the color Side Hustle and applying it more towards the middle and also taking it to the inner corner. And in the inner corner, I'm applying the color Top Story and kind of repeating the same way I've applied the eyeshadow on my lid. For my blush, I'm taking NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and applying this orangey coral color from the palette and applying it on the apples of my cheek. To bronze up my face, I'm taking the contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills and I'm taking this orangey brown color. I'm just going to lightly bronze my face, and I'll put a little bit under my chin and around my nose as well. Then for my waterline, I'm taking this Express Line eyeliner from Coastal Scents. It's in a bottle green color. And then I'm applying a few coats of mascara on my bottom lashes. For my highlighter, I'm taking Makeup Revolution Soap X highlighter palette and I'm taking this gold highlighter and applying it on the high points of my cheek. I'll also be using this color on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bows, on my chin and forehead, just the usual places I like to highlight. Then I'm taking this lip liner from Profusion. It's in color Cocoa, and I'm just lining my lips following the natural lip lines. And then I'm putting this ColourPop Airplane Mode Matte Liquid Lip in the center of my lip. I'm not applying it all over the lips, just on the center. And just to give it a more plump look, I'm going in with this vintage gloss in color Sequin. I'll list the name down below as well. So yeah, that finishes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really liked how it turned out, and I did enjoy the palette a lot. I will go more in depth in a future review, so keep an eye out for that. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.